everyone, and today we're gonna do kindergarten math. Just kidding. Guys, we're actually gonna do second grade math, as you know. And Plory's gonna do kindergarten. But I was gonna do where's it? Quick. Where's number N? Oh yeah, N was in my face. And 6. I'm doing this lesson. Let's see what Plory lesson's gonna do. Meet ya. Since I'm sneaky, I'm gonna be doing S3. Plory, you are not that sneaky. I can see you. Stop going big. You can go as big as the S right here. Oh, okay. I thought I was that sneaky. I'm gonna be sitting right next to you. Okay. Wait. Yeah, now I got it. So I'll just click on 3. Then, this is what mine looks like. This is what mine looks like, guys. You get 0? I got 10. Well, I bet it's gonna be not charms. Okay, but I bet it's gonna be Plory's. No, you're not.
No, I am Charm.
Charm, are you serious? Okay. 5 plus 4 equals 9. And yeah, now we're both tied. 10. Well, my turn. Charm's turn. Charm, let's do rock, paper, scissors. Rock, paper, scissors. 1, 2, 3.
You can't copy me. You have to find a different Plory.
No, come on. Now, Charm has to. Plory has to do it. 6.
Are you serious right now? I'm sorry.
Oh my god. Time to go back to my math mode. You got 19, I only got 10. And it says I'm paused. Because of you took forever. Okay. But Plory, we have no time for this. And I'm literally, oh, my eyes are out of control. Okay. So, I think 74. Wait, I'm at 81. Okay, it was 81. I got 9? You got 19? That's no fair. I'm Charm. Let me do 1 second. Guys, can you give me 1 second? Thank you for giving me 1 sec, guys. Now, we're going to have to
add.
And since Plory said add, mine can also say add too.
Add. 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 Add.
Are you kidding me right now?
Add.
Add. Okay. It should still be my turn since you got 28. I only got 9. That's my smart score because I'm not that smart. Okay. You might get a 100 out of 100, and I might get a 90 out of 100. Are you kidding me right now? Stop the cat. Capping for what? I'm not even capping. Okay, it's actually my turn. Guys, mine's 96, I think. Yes, I got it right. I got 19. Now, since I was taking a little forever, Charms is now paused. I meant Plory's is now paused. And yeah, I think it should be, yeah, Plory's turn. No, it's going to be my turn. I bet it's 88. Fantastic. Now we're tied, and it's going to be Plory's turn. Oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah. It's my turn because I'm cool. Stop wasting time. 7. Oh, can I beat? Are you? I'm gonna sleep right now. Wake up, wake up! Oh yeah, yes, I forgot it's my turn. We have to be a tie. Who's gonna win first? Me? Give a like if you think I'm gonna win. Subscribe if you think Flory's gonna win. Let's dive in to see who's gonna win. Give a like if I win. Subscribe if he wins. You have to subscribe. What are you doing? Plory? You're at 55. I'm at 28. See ya. Just let me do my work. No. You're at 68. I only passed 4 lessons. You did 10. You are too smart. Oh, I better catch up with you. I better do mine. 91. Plor, you cannot be that quick. Meet you. You got 75. Guys, I think you have to subscribe. Plor's literally winning. This is Plor's. This is mine. Mine's the harder one. Mine is 2nd grade. His is kindergarten. He's rushing fast. So, subscribe and like this video. If you don't mind, then subscribe and like this video. If you mind, I think you have to subscribe because, yeah, Plor's winning. Time to get up to work. Well, then if he wins, we're just going to close this tab. Nah, I'm going to hurry up, guys. I better catch up with Plory. You'll never catch up with me. Oh my gosh. Look at yours, look at my screen. Look at yours, look at my screen. Look at yours, look at mine. Who's gonna win? Wait, I have a prize to reveal. Why are you revealing your prize? Oh, should I make this my icon? Hey, I wanted to change my icon, not just to a random camera. Guys, I'm gonna see you yeah, we're back. Yeah, we're just doing what I'm supposed to. Keep practicing. Me. I'm just doing what I'm supposed to be. Got my finger. How bad can I be? Okay, time to get to. So guys, I caught up with Plory. I got 81. He got 85. But what if we did at the same time? Then I can subscribe at the same time. Or if he clicks be done, submit, and then it's all done. You better like and subscribe, guys. This is going tough. Now, wait, it's still supposed to be my turn. I got 81. He got more. Oh yeah, you're going down, Krista. Oh, I'm not Plory. Are you? You are. Okay. So, let's see. Me and Plory got tied. We're tied. And let's just say it's Plory's turn. Now we're not tied. Now, me and Plory are tied again. Should it be Plory's turn?
No.
It's not going to be my turn. It's going to be me Russian turn. Wait a minute, Plory. You came on 91. Because I am on 87. You're on 91. I got 2 medals. You got 3. Well then, I'm going to crack the code. Now, we are so tied. Guys, you better subscribe.
And like.
Yeah. Actually, like and subscribe, guys. And we're going to keep on making more funny videos. Well,
Are you gonna put that on your story,
then
Kristen?
6.
Or will you put that on your Christmas tree?
Okay. So you got 99. Oh, this is better be. So guys, his last one, and then you have to subscribe. And if he got 24 out of 24. Let's see how much I get. 24 out of 24 or some wrong. Guys, it looks like you better like and subscribe. Well done. Hooray! You have mastered the gold medal. With more prizes, keep practicing. So then, bye everyone. See you in our next vid. Bye.